Hello, good afternoon, welcome to your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting you a short video presentation of this gorgeous F36 420 diesel Gran Coupe we're having. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options, as well as show you a detailed description of the spec and the condition. So it's a 2017 facelift model 420 diesel manual 6-speed. Facelift model also has the LED lights to front and rear. One owner from brand new, covered just over 20,000 miles. Serviced in-house, so it's all up to date in terms of service history. 2 keys are present as well. Presented in this gorgeous mineral grey metallic, and we've added our, as usual, in-house styling package. Gloss twin slat grille, front and rear parking sensors, 3-piece front splitter in gloss. We've fitted these 20-inch, new to the market, competition style bi-colour wheels with the tinted lacquer face. Looks really good. Privacy gloss black sidebars, decals and upgraded mirror caps. Really well kept car, as you'd expect for this mileage. LED tail lights, automatic boot, huge boot room, folding rear seats as well. See the gloss black diffuser. Describe it as A1 condition, really very well kept. Brand new tyres, and of course the wheels are fitted with a tyre pressure monitoring system. Black Dakota leather, heated front seats with electric lumbar support, or electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights, rain sensors as well. Let's take a look inside the cabin. We have this gorgeous widescreen navigation system. Take a look at the maps there. Bluetooth phone and audio and media playback. DAB radio, 24,000 miles. Interior is as well kept as the exterior. Isofix rear seat, rear centre armrest. And it smells very good. Doesn't smell like it's been smoked in or any pets, which is always a great sign. Thanks very much for watching. HB and PCP available on our website. You can apply or quote yourself. If you prefer to get in touch, please do by email, phone, text or WhatsApp. Thanks very much.